Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about SUMPRODUCT and how can we use this. You can see this table, the table of students, and these are the result of the final exam, and this is the credit of the specific subject. And here I want to find the total number for each student and also the average for each student. So first of all, in this case I have to use the sum product. So instead of like typing, so if I don't use the sum product, I have to multiply this with this one, this with this one, and each one with its credit, and after that I have to sum this up. But sum product do these things for me automatically. I just come here, write equal sign, sum product, and here I select the array. It doesn't matter if I select this or this one, no matter. So I just select this one, after that comma, the next one, so I select this. So I have to make this one absolute. I just press on F4 and close the bracket and enter. You can see it's the total number for George, so I just drag it down. So these are the total numbers for these students. So now I want to find the average for each student. That's also pretty similar, the same way. So I just write here sum product. I select array, comma, the second one, and I have to make this absolute. Close the bracket and divide it by the sum of the credit. So I just write here sum of these credits, close the bracket. So I should make this absolute and enter. So the first one is at 8%. I just come here and double click. You can see I have found the average for each student. So here we can use the sum product to find the number of students who score more than or equal to 88, and we can use the sum product instead of the COUNTIF function. Here I just write here equal sign, sum product. After that I should write here 1 multiply by. So here I select the average. If it is greater or equal to 88, close the bracket for the first and the second one and enter. You can see it's 5. So now I come here and sort it from A to Z. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have this 5 greater or equal to 88. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.